Hi, I'm Creme from Homeology, and this is my makeover journey with Dulux. When Dulux launched their Colour of the Year 2019, Creme Brulee, they asked if I could do a project where I use the new colour palette. A dilapidated rondawel on our farm immediately came to mind. The space was in desperate need of some TLC and a drastic colour change. The Dulux colour of 2019 is Creme Brulee, a warm earthy tone that reminds of honey. The complementary palette has rich berry tones, pink, green, charcoal and teal.
Dulux sent a consultant to help me determine exactly what I'm going to need for the project. So, armed with loads of paint, a few roller brushes and a personalised instruction guide, it's time to get my hands dirty.
The first step was to create a blank canvas, so we started with a primer followed by a base coat. The next step was to redo all the electrical wiring. We refinished the steel window frames in fresh white and painted the interior doors to match. The cement floor was coated with charcoal epoxy. Now that the interior is fresh and gorgeous, we can start to revamp the furniture. Paint has the amazing ability to transform, whether an entire room or a piece of furniture. To keep our costs down, we tried to reuse what we had. Old hand-me-downs were given new life with a bit of paint. Colourful prints and scatters tie everything together in this interior. The rich colours work so well together to create a harmonious space that is contemporary and warm. And because it's almost impossible to add anything to the Riverstone walls, we added these coloured panels. They helped to define the space and allowed me to add art and concealed electrical points. The feature wall has a fun paint effect in the Dulux Colour of the Year 2019 Creme Brulee. It works particularly well with the higher ceiling and with the different coloured frames. To top it off, we painted the roof back to its original heritage green and gave the front door a new colour as well. Now the rondawel is ready for weekend and holiday guests. Thanks for joining me on this makeover journey with Dulux. For more information on the project, click on the link.